Looking for a restaurant that you can celebrate birthday with a full experience with complimentary cake and singing greetings from the staff? Italianis restaurant is the place to be. Nana. Both of them knew that we will just eat for dinner, and since Nana is going back home and her birthday is only 6 days away from the moment that we dine in, and she really deserves a surprise.
Happy birthday! Tequila for you, well pop confetti too. I got the feeling today will be a bad time. 'Cause it's your birthday. Come on, let's celebrate now. Happy birthday to you, to you. Pick up the party soon. Taste and live, perfect for the trip. Jump and dance, come on until we die. Lose your blues, everybody got good love. Happy birthday!
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Happy birthday!